How to change your email address on AliExpress. Are guys facing issues to change the email address on AliExpress website? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, search for AliExpress website. After you enter the website, log in into your account with the registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, tap on settings. Once you click on settings, you can see multiple options. Just simply tap on change email address. Click on it. After you tap on change email address, you need to verify email verification. Just simply select email verification. Once you click on it, they will send you verification code on your email. Write down your code. After you write down your code, click and verify. As soon as you click and verify, you need to write down your new email address and click on continue. Once you click on continue, your email address will be changed. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to change your email address on AliExpress. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any issues regarding AliExpress, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.